Let's have a look at this interior design tool called as Palazzo.ai. This new generative AI power tool for interior design innovation is quite interesting. This is a tool which is sort of developed by tennis champion and entrepreneur Venus Williams and her co-founders Rafi Holzer and Edward Lando. This advanced technology not only has the power to break through design dilemmas and inspire users, but it's also determined to simplify the design journey for homeowners, amateur designers, and professional designers alike. Palazzo is poised to drive transformative progress of interior design concepts and help users turn visions for a space into reality. Palazzo intuitively learns and understands users' design preferences and aesthetic tastes, curating a selection of design ideas and finishes that seamlessly align with their visions. Interior design has been a passion of everyone, it seems, these days, because interior design really brings out the inner energy, drive design, collaboration, connection, and growth within you. Now, this platform seems to be quite accessible, easy, and also effortless. Let's try to see what exactly they have built. Now, in order to get started, uh, on their front page, they ask to take the quiz. So, let's get started. Let's click on take the quiz. It's sort of a DNA quiz, and it says that let's find your style. Okay, it says, hi, I'm Vinci, your AI design assistant. What's your name? Just say I'm Fahad. Confirm selection. Okay. First thing first, what three room speaks to you most? Okay, let's see which one do I like more. Well, all of them look great, but anyway, not this one, not this one. This I don't like the interior ceiling here. This one is comfy, and this one is nice, and this also. I'll just go with this one. Both of these look good, but maybe I'll just to confuse the matter, I'll go with this one. Confirm selection, and it says that pick two rooms that have the right amount of color for you. Okay, color for me. Let me see. Maybe this is too much for me, and I would say, okay, this is good, plain and simple. This is this is also good, but I might go with maybe this is too much color. I'll just go with this one. Let's keep it plain and simple. Confirm selection, and then let's see what sort of tone I would like earth tone, pastel, cool tone. So I'm going to go with this tone is good, and let's select one more. I might go with this one. Okay, choose three favorite colors of yours. Okay, I like this one. I always like blue, and then let's go with the whites and creams. Okay, right amount of pattern. That's interesting. Okay, let me see. Let me see. This is good, and this is good. How much decor you like? Okay, I think I'll just go with this, and then I will go with this. I'm a simple person, and pick one room that fits the level of drama you like in your room. Okay. This is too much drama happening. This is okay. This is comfy, I guess. Let's go with this comfy. Let's see what popular style you're a fan of. Coastal, yeah, I like coastal. Okay, I like French country, and I like. Let's go with rustic. Okay, so once you get your style, you can sign up for Palazzo and use it, or try the quiz again. Okay, let me put my email here. Once I have put it in, it is saying that they are going to email it to me in couple of minutes, and then uh, let me take back to Palazzo, and I will also check my email. I have received the email and then I clicked on the link to see the results, and it has taken me back to Palazzo, and it seems it is loading my style. So it says that it is minimal serenity, and it says that your one of a kind style is minimal serenity, a blend of minimalist design with a focus on neutral tones, comfort, and functionality. Emphasizes open spaces, natural light, and organic materials for serene living environment, which actually is quite cool. And then I can also go ahead and design with my style in Palazzo. So if I click on it, it takes me here, and then it says that choose to start with your own image or explore our sample of images below to start chatting with Vinci. I'm just going to go with their own style. I'll just go with this living room one. This is actually quite cool. There you go. Now Vinci is scanning the room. Let's wait for the Vinci. Okay, so it says that okay, I'll just say make a suggestion for me. I'll just make it a tad bit bigger. Yeah, this looks much better. Oops, where did it go? Okay, there you go. Okay, so these are the suggestions. It says modern, traditional, eclectic, rustic. How about we go with modern? Within modern, which of these feel most like you? I'll say definitely contemporary. Is there any else thing else? No, all good. Show me my design, and you can see that there is a progress bar at the bottom, which is showing you the progress. So let's wait for it to come back. And it has also provided us the goal that the goal is to create a contemporary modern living room that exudes sophistication and simplicity. The design will feature clean lines, a neutral color palette with occasional bold accents. Awesome stuff. How cool is that? There you go. So this is the room which it has designed me. Okay, so and here you can either select it or you can just go ahead. I'm just going to say it's perfect. Okay, so it says that if you sign up for a free account, we will spot you 10 free tokens. So you can keep generating new designs. As a bonus, you will get 5 additional tokens for every post you share. So this is the way you do business. That it hasn't yet asked me to sign up with my email, and more importantly, it hasn't asked me for any credit card information. I have created this design for free, and now it is asking me that if I have liked it, then I can sign it up and get the token. So this is the trust and confidence not only in your own product but also on your customers, so which is awesome. Really love it. I think Venus Williams has done a very good job here. This might not be my design, but still I think I really love it. Beautiful stuff. So let me ask it. I mean, okay, no, I think I have food to sign up, but that is fine. So really love it. I hope that you enjoyed it too. Let me know what do you think about this tool. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play it around with it and let me know your thoughts. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please do me a personal favor and share it among your network, as it that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.